is for apple, round and sweet. It opens its mouth for a crunchy treat. Ah, 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 it likes to say, helping ants and alligators play. E is for elephant, big and gray. It wiggles its ears in a silly way. I is for igloo, made of ice, or an inchworm looking very nice. E, it's a tiny sound, creeping and crawling on the ground. O is for octopus, under the sea,
O is for orange.
or an orange growing on a tree.